Are you looking for a Nikon camera that offers high performance at an affordable price? Look no further. Nikon has a range of impressive cameras that blend quality, performance, and affordability. In today's video, we will explore the 7 best affordable Nikon cameras that provide outstanding performance that won't empty your wallet. Enjoy! Starting with the Nikon Z30, an exceptional entry-level mirrorless camera. It delivers tremendous value for aspiring creators, making it a worthy inclusion in the list. Its 20.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor offers sharp image quality, while its 4K video capabilities with no crop cater perfectly to vloggers and content creators. The fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen and a prominent record button enhance its user-friendly design, making video recording effortless. Features like a tally lamp and reliable connectivity ensure a seamless experience for on-the-go creators. Priced at $710 for the body alone, the Z30 also offers a creator's accessory kit, including a Rode video micro mic, Bluetooth remote, and selfie grip for just $149 more, amplifying its value. While it lacks image stabilization and a headphone jack, its compact design, intuitive controls, and impressive video performance outweigh these shortcomings. Ideal for those transitioning from smartphones, the Z30 redefines affordability in Nikon's mirrorless lineup. Next, the Nikon ZFC. A perfect blend of modern performance and nostalgic charm, earning its place in our list. With a 20.9 megapixel CMOS sensor and Nikon's Z lens mount, this APS-C mirrorless camera delivers stunning image quality and oversampled UHD 4K video at 30p. Designed with a retro-inspired body, it features manual dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, appealing to photographers who value both aesthetics and hands-on control. Priced at $960 for the body, the ZFC offers a fully articulating LCD and a sharp 2.36mm OLED viewfinder, making it versatile for photography and vlogging alike. The camera also supports an 11 FPS burst rate with full autofocus, ideal for capturing fast action. While it lacks a headphone jack, in body flash, and advanced video formats, its stylish design and reliable performance make it a standout for younger, style-conscious photographers seeking affordable excellence. In number 3, the Nikon Z5 earned its spot respectfully on the list as an outstanding option for photographers seeking an affordable entry into full-frame photography. With a 24 megapixel CMOS sensor, 5-axis in body stabilization, and Nikon's reliable hybrid AF system, it delivers exceptional still image quality even in low-light conditions. Its robust, weather-sealed body and dual UHS-2 SD card slots provide durability and reliability, making it suitable for diverse shooting environments. While its 4K video comes with a 1.7x crop, the Z5 still supports uncropped 1080p video and includes headphone and microphone ports for basic videography needs. The large LCD screen and intuitive on-body controls enhance usability, though it lacks a fully articulating screen. At $1,400 for the body, the Z5 provides a well-rounded package, especially for stills-focused users who prioritize image quality and solid handling over high-speed performance. Now, the Nikon Z6 II, a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera, combining solid performance and advanced features at an approachable price, making it a strong contender on the list. Equipped with a 24 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and 5-axis in body stabilization, it excels in capturing sharp, detailed images and smooth video. Its dual processors enable up to 14 FPS continuous shooting, catering to fast-action photographers, while the hybrid autofocus system ensures reliable tracking. For video creators, the Z6 II offers full sensor 4K recording at 30p, with future firmware updates promising UHD 60p in APS-C mode. Dual card slots, CF Express or XQD and UHS-2 SD provide flexible storage options, and the tilting touchscreen and USB-C charging enhance convenience. At $2,000 body only, it delivers pro-level features. While full-frame 4K is capped at 30 FPS and RAW video requires a paid upgrade, the Z6 II remains an affordable powerhouse for both photography and video enthusiasts. Coming up next, the Nikon D780, a superb DSLR that bridges the gap between traditional photography and modern innovation, makes it a standout on the list. Boasting a 24-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and the advanced XSpeed 6 processor, it delivers stunning image quality with an impressive ISO range of up to 204,800. This enthusiast-level camera offers 7 FPS burst shooting with continuous autofocus and even a 12 FPS electronic shutter for faster action captures. Its hybrid autofocus system shines in live view, delivering speed and precision that rivals mirrorless models. Video capabilities include UHD 4K at 30p and 120p slow motion in Full HD, complete with a flat profile for post-processing flexibility. The durable build, tilting 3.2-inch touchscreen, and dual UHS-2 SD slots add to its appeal, alongside wireless connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. While it lacks in body stabilization and a thoroughly modern AF system, the D780 combines DSLR reliability with modern tech, priced at $1,600. Blends vintage charm with modern performance, the Nikon ZF earned its place on the list. A 24-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor delivers excellent image quality, enhanced by in-body image stabilization, rated up to 8 EV for sharp, handheld shots. The camera's retro design, inspired by the iconic FM2 SLR, appeals to photographers who value classic aesthetics combined with modern tech. Key features include a fully articulating touchscreen, burst shooting at up to 14 FPS, while 11 FPS in RAW, and a 30 FPS JPEG mode with a pre-burst option for action-packed moments. For video creators, the ZF supports 4K and 30p from 6K oversampling and 10-bit N-Log recording for high-quality footage. Its monochrome mode and 96MP high-res shooting add creative versatility. At $2,000, the ZF is a stylish, capable camera. While its shallow grip and standard 24-megapixel sensor might not impress all users, its nostalgic design and robust performance make it a unique and appealing option for those seeking affordable full-frame quality. Lastly, a bit costly, the Nikon Z7 II. A high-performance full-frame mirrorless camera that stands out for its impressive 45.7-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, it is a fantastic choice for photographers who demand top-tier image quality. With native ISO 64, the Z7 II excels in dynamic range, ensuring incredible detail in high-contrast scenes. This model also features 5-axis in-body stabilization, delivering steady shots even in low-light conditions. For fast action, the Z7 II offers 10 FPS burst shooting with single-point autofocus, while its 4K and 60p video recording offers a crisp and sharp video experience with minimal crop. The 3.69mm .EVF and 3.2-inch touchscreen provide excellent viewing, though the tilting screen is more flexible than fully articulated ones. Costs $3,000 body only. The Z7 II offers dual card slots XQD or CF Express and UHS-2 SD for added security, and a long-lasting battery and USB charging. While it doesn't feature a fully articulated screen or the highest res viewfinder in its class, it remains a top choice for those focused on image quality and versatility. Here, you have 7 excellent and affordable Nikon cameras that come with all the features you need to elevate your photography. If you've used any of these cameras or are excited to try one, could you leave a comment below to let us know? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.